Cause you got multiplayer up in that bitch?
I don't think so. It's old as fuck, dude. And you use like your arrow keys to play.
Let's see here real quick. Ooh. Play Avalanche game. Enable that B. Okay. Oh shit. I just hit spacebar to hit play, but that don't work like that.
Is yours full screen?
No?
Mine isn't either. Oh shit.
Shit's doo-doo. It's all good though.
You can go like to the other side.
What's this shit? Oh, you just gotta. Oh shit.
Yeah, you gotta.
Oh
climb,
shit! Oh, I'm stuck,
brother.
Oh,
brother.
Dang. Okay, hold up.
You can like slide on the side or something and jump.
Oh, I see. Oh, I got fucked. Oh, they cucked me, brother.
Brother.
The game cucked me. All right, hold
Come
up.
on,
Here
brother.
we
We
go.
got this, brother.
I got
I'm
the
max
big
at 21
facts.
feet right now. Oh shit. I'm doo-doo.
Oh, it smashed me, bro.
Oh shit. What's your highest right now?
I'm garbage right now. Don't worry about it.
I'm about to beat the world record. Oh shit, brother.
World record. Brother, how the fuck do you play this game? 29 feet. That's my record, bro.
I don't know. Just kind of waiting.
Oh, brother. Oh. 101 feet. Hey, are you good at this game?
I used to be good, but I'm trash right now, dude.
Yeah?
I got 7. Oh, I'm at 71.
Brother.
Oh shit. Oh shit. No, brother. Oh shit. Fuck.
Oh! No!
Bro, I'm going off right now, bro. I'm going off.
Oh! Ooh!
Oh no!
Wombo!
No!
Wombo! Oh no! Ooh! Ooh! Oh! 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 219 feet.
Oh, I had 289.
What?
Yeah.
Fuck that, bro. You're done. I got this game down now. You fuck. Oh, okay. I slashed myself. Not gonna talk about it. Oh, I slashed my. Okay, did it again.
Fuck, dude, no. Oh, come back. Oh.
Have you ever like bounced like from blocks to block in midair?
Yeah.
Like while they're falling, you latch onto them and shit.
Yeah. And you feel like a badass.
I feel like if somebody were to remake this game into like a smoother game, maybe in like Unity, this game would be.
It would be fire.
banging.
Yeah. I used to love this game, dude. Back in high school.
Oh, what happened? You changed? You don't love it no more? Men, all the same. Ooh, 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 ooh,
Fuck, dude.
ooh.
I got 351, dude.
What? You hacking?
You know you can go from top, you can go like through the thing and come back, right?
Wait, really?
Yeah.
Oh. You actually just ruined your ability. No, it's done now. You're done now.
Oh fuck, dude! I just literally got doo-doo on. Fuck, bro.
Oh no, please!
Okay. High ground's mine, brother. High ground's mine.
Bow, bow,
Shit.
bow,
Oh,
bow,
shit.
bow,
Oh.
bow, bow,
Please.
bow, bow.
Oh. Oh.
Hamlin's is doo-doo.
I literally just choked so hard, bro.
Hey everybody, welcome to Fortnite Friday. Today we got some exhilarating gameplay. Hamlin's versus Myth. Fuck.
Oh, imagine if this was like duo, and then you could like see the other person in like a ghost form.
Ooh.
That would be
That
easy,
multiplayer, huh?
bro.
Oh, you want to make a game, Hamlin's?
I'm down, bro. We would kill that shit.
Listen, we send this shit to Soda Poppin', right? He loves these type of games. I'm actually trapped. I'm actually locked in a 1-by-1.
Oh god. Oh my. Okay, really?
Oh.
I'm literally choking.
Come on. Come on. Get up there!
Fuck. Fuck.
You know what? I mastered this game. I cracked the code. Never mind.
Come on, bro. I'm trying to go to space, dude.
You could go to space?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure like the higher you get, the background changes.
What?
Yeah, dude.
I want to go to space.
My space now.
Race you to space,
Yeah, dude.
boy.
Ooh, I got a good run right now.
My
Hey,
run
Bob,
is
Bob.
flawless.
No, dude. Oh my.
Oh! 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 Okay, we're not gonna talk about that. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, go.
Ooh.
Come on. Come on! Come on! Come on!
My high ground now.
Hey!
Oh shit. Oh, the blaze. Oh!
No! Yo, you wanna play Run?
What is that?
Run, look, Google Run 3.